How many pictures you should be sharing, or what kind of pictures you should be sharing on your portfolio? What is there to discuss about it, right? Actually, it is a big deal what you are sharing on your portfolio or on your website blogs. Let's discuss. Welcome back. You just don't want to end up being a photographer with a camera. You need to tell stories. You need to be a storyteller. So how do you tell stories? How do you tell stories through your pictures? Your pictures reflect the kind of vision you have, and the kind of pictures you select on your blog post will tell the client the vision you have when you are shooting a wedding over a period of 1, 2, or 3 days. Through your pictures, the client will understand your narrative. They will understand how you see the things and how you click them as memories. When a client sees a number of pictures on your blog post, they should feel connected with the strangers. Who are the strangers over here? The strangers are the couple or the families whose pictures you are sharing over there. They should be able to feel those pictures. They should be able to feel the emotions, what they were sharing at the time of clicking. Try to build up a story from the beginning to the end. There are a lot of events happening. You need to understand or develop a style where you are able to tell stories through these 40, 50 or 100 images you are sharing. The more the pictures you share, the more comfortable the client will get. They will understand that you know your craft well. You are an artist. It will reflect you as an artist, not just a photographer. So how to craft a story? What you should be sharing in your blog post? Let's discuss one by one. Weddings are all about glamour, fashion, decor, emotions, joy, happiness. You have to capture all this to tell a complete story. So let's begin with glamour shots or fashion shots. What are these glamour shots? Which are those shots which you should be including in your blog post? The getting ready shots are the glamorous shots. Share the pictures of bride getting ready, makeup being done, show her dresses, whatever lehenga she has bought. People are spending so much of money on their wedding attire. You need to show them up in a very creative way. So shoot their dresses, their jewelry, their shoes, and some behind the scenes shots. Bring some delicacy into your shots by capturing, let's say, a bride adjusting her dupatta or a lehenga, a bride wearing her shoes, or even a bride checking her makeup in the mirror. Be creative, find your own stories while she is getting ready, or even while he is getting ready. You can capture such stories with respect to groom as well. Emotions. Now don't forget to capture emotional moments. These emotional moments could be during the fairas. It may be a mother-daughter moment. It may be a father-daughter moment. It could be a father-son, mother-son. There could be a lot of emotional moments going on, and if you capture those and if you share those in your blog post, it will reflect how good you are in capturing those moments. Mind you, these may look like a not so important or not so glamorous pictures, but they are of great importance to the couple or the family. They tend to connect with these pictures. And similarly, don't forget to capture fun or humorous shots. You need to build up an eye for a humor in the weddings. There's a lot of fun and humor going on, or there's a subtle humor going on which you need to capture. It could be a moment with their friends, it could be friends teasing each other, or something which is going unnoticed. Decor. So decor is the most important part. People spend so much of money on weddings, especially when it comes to the decor. Indian weddings are all about decor, the beauty, the color. You need to capture everything. The client would be interested in knowing how you capture decor, how you are capturing the intricacies of the decor, whether it's the flowers, mandap, table setup. Everything has to be captured in your own unique way so that you stand out and client understands that you have a certain style of shooting decor which is evident in your pictures. And yes, do capture some behind the scenes as well. So what these behind the scenes could be? It could be let's say setting up the decor, let's say setting up the mandap, people at work or family members getting ready, or the hustle bustle of the wedding just before the fairas or just before the wedding. It could be anything. Capture behind the scenes which tell the story of how the wedding was evolving. And lastly, try to capture some documentary composition. So this is the most difficult part of the wedding photography. Not many photographers are into this, but these compositions do tell a story. Like a single picture could tell a lot about what was happening in that frame. This is a difficult process, but slowly and steadily, as you start developing an eye for those, you will start getting those shots. Share those documentary compositions in your blog post, and you will be amazed that clients do notice such compositions and they feel that you stand apart from other photographers, because these documentary compositions are not what other photographers are sharing. So make an entire blog post of anywhere from 50 to 70 to 100 images so that you are able to tell a story right from the first event to the last event. Your blog post should be an intelligent combination of all these shots. Don't just put up just the wedding shots. Put up all the shots from all the events which are important and are telling the story of the wedding. Those pictures should add the narrative to the wedding story. The buzzword over here is the story. People should be able to see that you are trying to tell a story through your pictures. I hope you find this short video useful. Let me know your thoughts in your comments, how you tell a story, or if you have any questions regarding this, let me know. I'll share my views. That's all for today. Until next time, bye for now.